Welcome to the February edition of What's New in Asana. This month, we're sharing some new ways to get consistent results through automated workflows and processes. First, automate your workflows that rely on subtasks. Now select an option to run a rule on both tasks and subtasks. And you can now see subtasks in the timeline view to help you visualize complex projects with dependent work streams. Next, you'll find new ways to automate work across your tools. Explore new rules integrations with Google Calendar, Dropbox, Box, and OneDrive. Finally, now add roles to a project template. Adding roles to your templates makes it easy to automatically assign tasks to the right person when launching a new project or process. For a full list of what's new this month, check out our release notes in the Asana Guide.